Hey everyone, today I'm doing a screencast to talk about how I do note taking. So I use OneNote to keep track and log all of my notes that I have going on the web and for the class. So I want to start off by going, when you get into OneNote and you log in, over on this top left hand side you can pull down your screens for all your notebooks. So I got two notebooks going right now. We're just going to start with this EDCI 271. This is my resource one. So in here I have about 5 or 6 notes for me to keep track of. I use a to-do list one. This is a tracker, and if you come up here to your home, you'll see it over here. You can do to-do. You can mark it as important. You can ask questions in there. So that's kind of how I annotate and kind of keep my schedule in check for me, so I can know, like, if I'm done checking emails, I can click to-do. I know it's done. So this is how I use it for the resource side of things. And for the theme, when I go to Noah's Notebook, this one's dedicated all to the agriculture livestock side for the EDCI 270 project. So if we start up top here in this first page, I have my theme. I have about 5 or 6 notes. I've highlighted stuff to make sure I know what's important. I actually added a few links so I can go back and check articles if I need a side them or just looking for more information. So that's kind of my first page, just kind of jotting down all my thoughts. And the second one, I used a web clip art that is a part of OneNote that I downloaded as a browser software. So it actually collects all of it, and then it tells you where it's clipped from. Up at the top here, you can see that those quotation marks, that's my notes that I've actually wrote when I was doing the clip part of it. So I knew going forward, when this gets posted and transferred to here, I knew what I had to do. I added stars to do important information. I've highlighted all through it. So this is just a great way to transfer a lot of information over, not be plagiarized, and I can annotate it as I go. So yep, this is how I use my notes and keep all my notebooks in check, and hope everyone does the same.